Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Akro or Acropolis, a crypto that, if you're watching this video, you've probably thought about quite a bit over the last couple of weeks, because Acropolis has been very, very bullish, basically since the beginning of August, which has been a very, very long time. But yeah, as you can see, it started the 1st of August, got that first wave, second wave, third wave. So right now I just wanted to make a video on what's going on and what to expect from here, because if there's one thing that's for sure, it's that Acropolis is manipulated. All right, and as you all know, I cover a lot of manipulated cryptos. I do think I have quite a lot of experience with these cryptos, but we'll get into it, because Acropolis is also a little bit different. Because the volume right now, as you can see, usually what happens is that the volume comes from these shady exchanges like Hotcoin or BYBIT, but now most of it is actually coming from Bitcoin. So that's interesting. There's no doubt in my mind that it's manipulated if you take a look at the price action, but it's still, I mean, it's behaving a bit more different from others. So that's why I wanted to cover it. I wanted to talk about what's possible from here, and just in general what to expect. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to mention that I have my own premium training group as well, in which I share my own trades, but also you gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders. Very valuable. So in general, if you want to become a better and also more profitable, of course, trader, then check out the links down in the description, or head over to cilinix.com, and there you can actually find out more information on how to join. So I'll see you soon there. But for now, actually, let's get into Acropolis. So the thing is, with all of these cryptos, at some point of time, they're going to crash down very, very hard. Like right now, Acropolis is still doing fine. And I do want to mention as well that the project itself is decent, all right? It's a real project that adds real value. The thing though is that this moves, or these moves, I mean, in total, we've gone up since that start, the 1st of August, to the top, we've gone up 160%. That's a bit too much, all right? That's just a bit manipulated. So the thing right now is that we're at quite a significant resistance level at 0.0125. And I'm going to tell you why that's significant. First of all, we have the 2.618 FIB there, which is this orange line, which I've dragged way too much to the right, so you cannot see that it's a 2.618. But it's also 12.5, all right, which is a psychological resistance level. So right now, there are basically two things that can happen. And I would say at this point in time, while we are this bullish, the most likely in my eyes is that we'll break above 12.5, and that we'll actually get up to 1.6 cents, which is our next resistance level. And this is definitely an area I will short from, all right, because it's too good to not do, I would say. Because it's a very strong level, or at least it's a real resistance level. And then again, you got a Fibonacci level there, which is the 3.618. So that's the main price target for now, and I think we can reach that. Now, the thing though is that right now the volume is actually pretty high, and the volume is still growing. So what happens sometimes, or what needs to happen, is we need to get that bullish breakout now that the volume is high and growing. Because if the volume starts dropping, and if you see that, and the price also starts dropping, and right now our main support level is between 1.1 and 1.05 cents. So that's this level right here. So even though at this point of time, the most likely scenario is still a bullish breakout and getting up to 1.6 cents, that's mostly because of the volume still growing and that there's a lot of momentum in the price. Because if, and this is something you should know, all right, and you should be prepared for, if we start dropping down to 1.1 and 1.05 cents, and the volume starts dropping as well, down to like 50 million, 45 million, then it's more likely that we'll actually get a bearish breakout. And the moment we break down below 1 cent, it's very, very likely that it's over, and that will drop down all the way to this level right here at 0.76 and 0.75 cents. So yeah, even though at this point of time, the most likely scenario is a bullish breakout, I would not go long unless we actually get that bullish breakout. And in general, I would just stay out until we get some confirmation. But that's my view on cryptos like these. So for now, this is my take on Akro. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.